Once upon a time, in a small village surrounded by rolling hills, there was a little kite named Kiko. Kiko was made from the finest paper and had a vibrant tail that danced in the wind. But unlike other kites that soared joyfully in the sky, Kiko was afraid of flying. "I'm too small," Kiko whispered. "What if the wind is too strong? What if I fall?" The other kites in the village teased Kiko. "A kite that doesn't fly is just paper and sticks," they laughed. Hurt and lonely, Kiko spent most of the days hiding in a dark corner of the kite shop. One day, an old man entered the shop. He picked up Kiko and smiled kindly. "This one," he said, "is special." The shopkeeper frowned. "That kite is afraid of the sky. It won't fly." The old man chuckled. "Sometimes all it takes is someone to believe in you." The next day, the old man took Kiko to a hilltop. "Kiko," he said gently, "the sky is waiting for you. You just have to trust the wind and yourself." Kiko trembled. "But what if I fall?" The old man tied the string firmly in his hands. "If you fall, I'll catch you, but you'll never know how high you can soar unless you try." With a deep breath, Kiko felt the first gust of wind lift him. At first, it was scary. The wind tugged and twisted, but Kiko held on. Then something magical happened. Kiko began to soar. Higher and higher he went, his vibrant tail painting streaks of color across the blue sky. Below, children clapped and cheered. For the first time, Kiko felt alive. He wasn't just a kite, he was a dream, dancing freely in the wind. From that day on, Kiko never doubted himself. He became the highest flying kite in the village, inspiring others to take their first leap, no matter how scary it seemed. Moral of the story: fear will keep you grounded, but courage will make you soar. Even when the wind seems strong, trust yourself and take the leap. You might just discover how high you're meant to fly.